Hello everyone, we have made it to the final week. This is exciting. This is the week when your final project is due as well. Let's take a quick look at week 5 overview. On here, remember that this is the section that will tell you how you should be pacing yourself. It's just a suggestion, but it will help keep you on track. Personal leadership reflection. This is your discussion 1. Discussion 2 is on course reflection on target. You have to take the end of the course survey, and then your personal development plan is your final project due on the last day. Your goals are your learning outcomes to reflect on your greatest leadership traits, strengths, and opportunities. Reflect on the successes and challenges in your first Forbes School of Business and Technology course at the University of Arizona Global Campus. And create a plan for personal growth, including career and academic development. Okay, let's go to the next thing. Next, we have our resources. And in the resources section, remember there's a required section. This is how to create truly effective development plans through Forbes. So you can see here it goes to the Forbes site. And then also 4 steps to a successful personal development plan. And then you have some multimedia here, and then supplemental materials. And then this is your recommended information should you want to take a look at that, which of course I recommend. The next section below this is the lecture, reflecting and planning. Remember that these are the sections that will help you with your discussion. See discussion forum, personal leadership reflection. It talks about your strengths, what kind of questions you should be answering, and then areas of opportunity. Your next discussion here is the course reflection, your end of the course survey, and then information on the final project, which is your personal development plan. And then here's a layout for you. And I'm going to skip back and go this way. And then we have discussion 1 forum and discussion 2 forum. Remember, you need to post in both and reply to peers. Your end of the course survey is a graded assignment. And then let's take a look at your final project. The final project, again, is your personal development plan. We've been working on this throughout. Just remember to update your goals before you post in here. Take a look at all of the feedback that I have been giving you up to this point. You're going to reflect on what you have learned about yourself as a result of this class. View the final model assignment here. Review how to create truly effective. Remember, this was all in your resource folder. Review the 4 steps, and then here's your grading rubric. You can watch this little video here. This was also in the resources. And then what you're going to do here when you're putting together your personal development plan, you're going to use the template, and you're going to download right here using this little arrow. You're going to download this and then save it to your desktop file, save as, and you're going to save this work with your last name. And then you're going to do your SMART goals, strengths and skills, challenges and obstacles, action plan, support resources, monitoring progress, and your reflection as you go through. Okay? Remember that gets submitted through Waypoint. And I think that's about it. Like I said, we pointed this out, or I pointed this out to you last week, and then this week is your opportunity to get started on this and get submitted to finalize your course. Congratulations on completing your first course, and remember that there's always the model assignment here that you can look at. I highly recommend you do so that you can follow and emulate what is here. Good luck to all of you, and again, congratulations.